So today I bought myself a new present, upgrading from the Osmo Pocket 3 to the Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo, and let's do a quick unboxing. So this is the small carry bag. And how do I get into this? So this is the travel case, I think, very similar to the old one. Yeah, stickers and I don't know what's. Yeah, let's look at that at a later point. Everything nicely wrapped. Dead cat, a black dead cat. I think this is the white angel lens. Fill light. New microphone. So this is the old from the Pocket 3. There's a bit of a size difference there, which is fine. Some magnetics for the microphone. Grip extension. Oh, this is hard. Tripod. Wrist strap. I believe this is the charging cable, data transfer cable, yeah, silicone, and of course the hero of the pouch, the Osmo Pocket 4, which you probably have seen a million times already now on different channels across YouTube, but here is my new toy. Looking forward to testing it out.